Kobe Elite Black spaces are pretty cool, so they beat as hell. But oh my god. Look how big that is, fam. They not playing. Oh my god. Some of these run chewed on. Damn. So close. These are pretty sick. It's crazy lights. Wish you could see on the inside. There you go. This is pretty dope. Good detail. Not spoiling anybody though, gotta go. He's not too bad either. Not all white, Coke white. EQTs is kind of idiots though. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty ugly. They got these Pumas. I definitely gotta give me one of these. Alright. Vintage fire. Ton of Calvin. I'm so excited for this. Fit the criteria, but has this little thing right here. Damn! And that's a no now. It's brand new, so that sucks. Peep DDs with the Vandals. Fourth boots. Somebody's doing. Somebody already walking in these? Goddamn. Bad boys are here come with instructions. Instructions on how the shoe works. Ain't that some shit? Bad boys are on net. Somebody fell. DD's coming through with the champion. No C on the sleeve like I like, but that's not bad. If I can leave, I'll find a blue one.
Another one.
Pretty dope. Aside from these boots, these are about the most hideous things I've seen in a while. You get sick of Jordan brand sometimes. Curries. Yeah, sure, these are size 12, they're like 14. Okay. Ooh, that doo-doo stain right there. Got some stuff in it. Teacher 11. I love these right here. Hey, it's Michael Kors for the ladies. That's not too bad. North Face. Express. Cleats for days. Pretty much it. Not too bad. Oh my god. What do we, a band? Oh my god. Ooh, this Express for ladies is fuego. Okay. Keep the OGs. I don't know what they were thinking when they made this. Somebody wanted a little jacket, somebody wanted a suit coat. I think Express was kind of confused when they made this. Yeah. Ain't nobody paying 20 for that. This wasn't so distraught and begging me to put it out of his misery. Oh, we'll get this. It's too faded though. Dang. Easy.
How, Sway?
This thing says Gucci. But is it though? Is it though? No. People at the Blazers for Lil Man. Welcome jacket. And then F this dude. Disrespectful. We got the Lacoste. Also got that hole in the bottom, so that gotta be a pass. And then I'm trying to tell y'all. Yeah, it's nice. Converse. Nikes. Bronze.
LeBron James.
Hey, we dead ass out here with the Timberlands. Who's the Vikings? He's out. I'm crazy on the price, but not bad. There's the Bronx. Tommy's, baseball, Reebok, big feed forces, and some Saucony's. Is it Saucony or is it Saucony? Somebody correct me in the comments. Always find another one. Man, these hoes ain't loyal and gave up on them. Okay. Schoolhouse rock. Well, look how,
Another one.
well, first of all, Polo. Look how long these arms are. Who's built like this? Oh my god. Oh, you're built like Slender Man. Oh, look at these Air Max. These are kind of fire right here too. Alright.
Those are not cleats, sir.
They're not cleats, but these are fire. Look at y'all in Hanford, got the good stuff. Oh, with the doo-doo stain on it though.
Okay, here, babe. Now we know. It says baseball and.
Nice.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. Why toss my filter when she say my life?